What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Today we're gonna try to repair this carbon fiber spoiler. It's seen better days, but we're gonna try to fix that. If not, we'll just have to buy another one. So first things first, we're gonna start with prep. We're gonna leave the wing on. So we're just gonna tape around it and put our drop cloth around everything. Tape's down. Now we'll do the drop cloth and then we'll get to sanding. Okay, that's actually half decent. I think that'll be just fine. Let's get to scrubbing. That's actually terrifying. Gotta trust the process, I guess. Safety first. 20 minutes later, we still got a lot to go. Not gonna lie, we got it sanded and it's actually looking pretty decent. So let's see. Nice and smooth. I think we'll get a good finish. Now we're gonna wipe her down with some degreaser. Make sure it's nice and clean. Gonna shake the can for 2 minutes until this dries off, and we'll be ready to start spraying. Now we're gonna hit it with the tack cloth real quick, just to pick anything up, and we're gonna start spraying. I picked this little attachment up for the clear coat just to make it a little easier. That'll be our first coat. Now we wait 5 minutes. Coat number 2. Third and final coat. And go a little heavy on it. And it kind of came out like shit. But it's kind of better than before, I guess. We'll give it another shot in a couple weeks.